The Milescraft pocket clamp allows you to quickly and easily make projects with 90-degree pocket hole joints. Some features of the Milescraft pocket clamp include a rubber overmolded handle. The handle provides you comfort during use, and unlike some clamps, these overmolded handles do not fall off. The thumb screw of the adjustable capacity knob allows you to make quick and easy adjustments of the capacity of the clamp's jaw. Now this does require the use of both hands to correctly set up your clamp for its optimal performance. The metal swivel pad on the face of the clamp helps to ensure that there is no marring done on your workpiece. The face on the swivel pad also helps to distribute the clamping force evenly. The pin on the clamp is designed to fit any pocket hole, regardless of what brand pocket hole jig you use to create it. The reach of the Milescraft pocket clamp is up to 4 inches, and it allows you to clamp materials that are up to 3 5/8 of an inch thick. The Milescraft pocket clamp has up to 300 pounds of clamping force, and it weighs in just under 2 pounds. With the Milescraft pocket clamp adjusted for your project, just slip the pin of the clamp into a pocket hole, close the clamp ensuring that both pieces are held tightly together, and drive a pocket screw into an adjacent pocket hole securing both pieces together. The Milescraft pocket clamp is ideal for when you need a helping hand when assembling larger pieces at 90-degree angles. Projects include but are not limited to bookcases, boxes, cabinets, and furniture construction. To help ensure those corners stay at 90 degrees, be sure and check out the 90-degree corner clamp from Milescraft. With the 4-inch reach of the Milescraft pocket clamp, the clamp works just as well when pocket holes are located on the inside of your project too. The Milescraft pocket clamp is optimal for face frame construction as well. You can even use the pocket clamp in materials as thick as 2x4 material for any furniture projects you might have on your to-do list.
Our ruler arms are dual calibrated in inches and metric measures and have 4-sided ruler mechanism that slides and locks into any angle as a reusable stencil for endless applications, saving you time on repetitive measurements. Just form the desired template and transfer it to any material and say goodbye to guesswork. Quality is what differentiates our ruler from others. The Blue Banner Ruler. Form it as a compass to make perfect circles with our unique tightening mechanism that makes it easy for one-handed operations, and use it as a ruler to make perfectly straight lines. Form into T-square to align your brick. Our rulers are completely made from premium aluminum alloy, which is stronger than plastic and lighter than steel, to ensure both durability and portability, and is the perfect gift idea. The Blue Banner Ruler.
Get precise with the Craftsman corded 5-amp variable speed jigsaw. Featuring a variable speed trigger, this saw offers tremendous control, as well as 4 orbital settings to adjust the cut aggressiveness depending on your material and application. A bevel shoe lets you pivot for angled cuts, and its lightweight design and contoured overmolded handle makes it comfortable to use. At the end of the workday, it can be stored conveniently within reach. Make clean cuts with the Craftsman corded 5-amp variable speed jigsaw. Craftsman, we build pride.